All new at 11 tonight, a team of engineering students at the University of Toledo designed and built a 3D printed violin so kids in lower income areas can have access to the musical instrument. And a concert master with the Toledo Symphony Orchestra is impressed with the quality. Take a listen. That sounds great there. That's Merwin Sue, principal second violinist and artistic administrator for the symphony. He's playing the violin developed by UT students for the symphony as part of the team's senior design project. It's composed of 5 parts printed through a 3D printer and costs about $150 to make. A starter violin usually costs at least around $400.
I think Merwin in particular was impressed by how well it sounded. This shouldn't have sounded as good as it does. It's plastic. Plastic compared to wood is never easily comparable.
It feels very different because it's balanced differently, and then you put it under your chin and all the differences really go away. And when you're playing it, it just feels like another violin.
University of Toledo and the Toledo Symphony are collaborating on several projects. Researchers in psychology are taking a look whether classical music could be a useful addition on the treatment of post-traumatic stress disorder.